Right then, so first thing to do is, once you've checked everything, checked your opening, is to fit the door handle. Always fit the door handle and the lock. Really, I do it for manual handling. Always fit your door handle, make sure everything works as it should. And now we're ready to install it in the opening. So what I've got, tools I've got to install this, I've got a nice big bit of oak, because I've got a bit of a distance there, and when I open it up I can wedge it. I've created the opening. I've got expanding foam, SDS 6.5. I've got star fixings, concrete fixings, impact drill, a hammer, a couple of wedges, and like I said, expanding foam. So literally now, you can watch me struggle getting this in.